This was in Chicago. Anderson didn't like this, the attempted tag and the push off by Donaldson. Then this play at second, Anderson has some words. Donaldson, yeah. And now tonight, didn't escalate, but there were more words. And Anderson said, I see you. And here we go again. Now Grandal and Donaldson nose to nose, and the bench is empty. Well, this was heating up on a hot Saturday, and it's spilling over right now. The bullpen's emptying, running toward home plate. And being dragged away by the White Sox is Tim Anderson. But this started with Grandal and with Donaldson at home plate. Abreu's a big man, and Anderson continues to want to get at Donaldson. And there's still 2.5 games left to go.
Well, Tim Anderson is the spark plug of the White Sox, and then Grandal is going to stick up for his players that are not involved. You see what happens. You got Aaron Judge laughing, but you know it's not a laughing matter there. The White Sox are struggling. The Yankees have been beating them up, and all of a sudden, you know, they're going to bowl their neck and make something out of it. And if you're Josh Donaldson, you got to figure out, you know, what's going on here.
Well, the umpire's going to have to get together and think, well, who are we throwing out of this game right now, if anybody? Now Donaldson's having words with La Russa, and La Russa being moved away by the umpires. And now Anderson is out of the dugout again. And he is still chirping. Well, the relievers were headed back to the bullpen. They're just lingering in the outfield right now, as a lot of the attention is on the infield. Well, you're not really seeing Donaldson say anything. There's a lot of chirping from the White Sox side.
You know what, Coney, I think you agree with me here. If there are times when managers will try to spark teams when they're struggling, and there's times when you know, players will try to stand up and spark teams, and that's what this looks like to me. That, you know, you're frustrated, you're losing to the Yankees again. You know, you've had a couple, you know, shouting matches, but no punches thrown or no really wild pitches up and in. But you know, just trying to rally, trying to find something to get this team going a little bit.
You see Grandal had the first words. And you can see right there, I don't know exactly what Donaldson's saying, but he's certainly not the aggressor here. It's Yasmani Grandal. And then here comes Anderson, and he is pulled away immediately. And Aaron Judge is in there, as well as Giancarlo Stanton, and those are nice protectors to have. Now, all hell could break loose because Donaldson still is at the plate. A pitch goes inside. It will not be pretty right now.
This is far from over. In fact, it's worse. Gasoline has been thrown on the fire now. Whatever was said at second base earlier in this game between Donaldson and Anderson set this thing back off again, and it is far from settled.
Now, Aaron Boone wanted to go out and get a clarification. Is there going to be a warning? And he's waved off by Greg Gibson, the crew chief. All right, so now both benches have been warned. So if Lopez does throw at Donaldson or at any Yankee, he'll be thrown out, and La Russa will be thrown out. And the same goes for the Yankee pitchers.